friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning in my big teacher happy planner, and I'm going to be using some more of the, oh yes, I should show you this. I did nothing last week. No, I mean I did teach, but I ended up having 2 sick days, so it just it wasn't happening last week, friends. So it's not there, and that's okay. It is okay. But we're planning for the week of Monday, September 19th through Friday the 23rd. And we've been doing a collab as PR girls with the Crisp kit from Coffee Planner Mom. So I think I'm going to pull in some of these, some things from here. I don't have a lot left on here. But I'm also going to, I don't know, I kind of felt like using some of this. I've got, of course, Woodland Hues, which would go very well, all of the functional boxes and things there. I did grab the Crisp quotes, the fall quotes in Crisp, and as well as a lot of other fall deco. So we've got the acorns, autumn is calling deco, apple deco, crisp leaves, some freebies, some coffees. We've got lots of stuff going on here. So let's go ahead and get started. And I think the first thing I want to make sure I do is Wednesday I have a half day. Now, it's not a school-wide half day. We don't get half days in Indiana. But I'm having a sub that day for a follow-up doctor's appointment. So I want to make sure I get that in there first. Use this box. I'll put it right here. Most of you have noticed that my teacher planner tends to be very, very functional. I mean, I feel like all decorative planning should have a focus of function, right? So half day there. These 2 days are kind of catch-up days. So let's get some checklists going, like these little Woodland Hues ones. I don't know if I have any extra to-dos. I'm gonna leave Wednesday open, I think, for now. Or no, we could do, we cut one in half. I don't know. We'll think about it. Do I have another? Just don't want to do 2 of the same. I could move this guy down, or I could cut one of these. Let's cut one of these. Why not? Why not? So yes, those of you who have been watching me lately know that I have not been well. So I have a follow-up doctor's appointment to kind of make a plan. Make a plan on what we need to be doing to make life a little bit simpler. And then here, Thursday is going to be a great day. Or at least I think it will be. I'm hoping it will be. So the 4th and 5th graders go to camp that day. What if we use... if we layer... I'll do like what I did in my classic. I won't layer 2 full boxes. I'll do that. And I'll grab one of these guys. So almost all of our 4th and 5th graders will be gone. There'll be a few left behind, but then my boss and I were working on a document that every year has to go to the state. So we'll have a lot of time to just focus and work and all that fun stuff. I think, so Thursday is the first day of fall. Let's do these, but I think I love fall most of all, and we'll kind of have it right there. I do want to leave plenty of writing space just because I am now playing catch up with these two. Since I see my students once a week, so like missing a Monday, that means they're behind a whole week. I missed last Tuesday, so they're behind a whole week. So it gives me a chance to really write down exactly what needs to happen. Let's add. We might be ready to start decoing, but I'm just double checking, thinking in my head, are these the big, I think those are the big to-dos, to be to done. To-dos to done. There we go. Do we have, oh, it is payday this week. Why not put that down? Payday's fun. Who doesn't like payday? Do I have the word to do somewhere? I might. Grabbing out some of the coffees because I love decorating with little coffee cups. They're fun. Do I have to? I don't think I have them in my little sticker album. So I have these Simply Gilded sticker albums to my Coffee Planner Mom stickers. Yeah, I don't think I have to do. I know I have some things piled together. Let's double check. Edit, upload, no. Quotes, little Ellas. Ella here. Oh, maybe. Oh, maybe not. I know I have some blank areas. Here we go. At one point I was really organized with these where it was like in alphabetical order, but then I just kept getting more stickers and I was like, well, I guess we're just gonna keep it that way. All right, so we don't have to do. Do we have to done? No, I'm joking. That was a joke. I could just write it. And I know I have like other teacher books I could use to get a to out of. Let's see, what do we got in the bookish? Because I feel like these colors go with. Reschedule, testing, day off, cancel. Yes. Just wanted to do sticker. Could use priority 1. Plan on it. Make today great. Do. Plan call. You know, the next time I use this book and I'm looking for to-do stick and I'm not looking for to-do stickers, they're gonna be like everywhere. I might use plan on it or priority 1. Today. Those are all focus. Important. Grade papers, class parties, birthdays. Well, if you saw a to-do somewhere here and you like are screaming at the screen, I apologize. Let's do priority. Just there. And then let's add some fun deco, right? We can do some Coffee, coffee, coffee. We use some little acorns. Nothing, like I said, I gotta leave some space. Must be able to write, but getting those fall vibes in. I can feel it in the morning here. I don't know where you live, how you transition in the seasons, but here in Indiana, I've noticed what typically happens is it's more of a, in the mornings it feels like fall, and then like suddenly, like it's summer in the afternoons, and we kind of go back and forth for a while, and then all of a sudden it's like, and we're in fall. I like those. Let me grab a few leaves. Let's put you here. Let me add some more. What do we got? We could do some of the apples, but I think I'll wait. I'm going to do apples for other things. Let's use up some more of these coffees because we got them. Using up the stickers, using up the stickers. Making it fun for the week. That's my song for you today. You're welcome. All right, I think I'm going to stop here. That way I have plenty of space to write and keep track of what's going on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Coffee Planner Mom's PR apps will be going out soon, but until then, you can still use my code HOLLY15 for 15% off of your order. And I sure hope you do, because her stickers are amazing. You know how much I love them. I mean, it's no secret. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a great week.